Did you know that the average American consumes over 150 pounds of sugar each year? That's more than a pound every other day. And what's even more alarming is that this sugar consumption is often paired with caffeine, a stimulant found in coffee, tea, and energy drinks. While many of us enjoy these substances separately, combining them can lead to a dangerous cycle of highs and crashes, negatively impacting our health in surprising ways. This essay explores the hidden dangers of mixing sugar and caffeine, revealing how these seemingly harmless substances can wreak havoc on our bodies when combined. We'll delve into their individual effects, examine the potent concoction they create, and provide practical tips for breaking free from this unhealthy cycle. By understanding the science behind these substances and their combined impact, you can make informed decisions about what you consume and prioritize your well-being. It's time to take control of your health and discover a world of natural energy and vitality. Sugar, that sweet temptation we encounter daily, does more than just tantalize our taste buds. When consumed, sugar is quickly absorbed into the bloodstream, causing a rapid spike in blood glucose levels. This surge triggers a release of insulin, a hormone responsible for transporting glucose into our cells for energy. While this initial energy boost might seem beneficial, it's often followed by a dreaded sugar crash. As insulin works to lower blood glucose levels, we experience a sudden drop in energy, leaving us feeling fatigued, irritable, and craving more sugar. This roller coaster of highs and lows disrupts our body's natural energy balance, leading to increased cravings, difficulty concentrating, and mood swings. Over time, excessive sugar intake contributes to weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and other chronic health problems. Caffeine, the beloved stimulant found in coffee, tea, and energy drinks, provides a temporary boost of alertness and focus. It works by blocking adenosine, a neurotransmitter that promotes sleepiness, leading to increased feelings of wakefulness and energy. While moderate caffeine consumption can improve cognitive function and physical performance, excessive intake can lead to a host of negative side effects. These include anxiety, insomnia, headaches, increased heart rate, and dehydration. Moreover, our bodies can develop a tolerance to caffeine, requiring us to consume more to achieve the same effects. This dependence can lead to withdrawal symptoms like headaches, fatigue, and irritability when we try to cut back. Combining sugar and caffeine creates a potent mix that amplifies their individual effects that leads to a dangerous cycle of highs and crashes. The initial sugar rush is compounded by caffeine's stimulating properties, creating a temporary feeling of euphoria and heightened energy. However, this double buzz is short-lived. As blood sugar levels plummet and caffeine's effects wear off, we experience an intense crash marked by fatigue, irritability, and difficulty concentrating. This crash leaves us craving more sugar and caffeine to regain that initial energy boost, perpetuating an unhealthy cycle. Furthermore, this combination can disrupt our sleep patterns, increase anxiety levels, and contribute to weight gain. It also masks our body's natural energy signals, making it difficult to recognize true hunger and fullness cues. Section 5. Real-life impacts, from jitters to crashes. The combined effects of sugar and caffeine are evident in our daily lives. Picture this. You start your day with a large, sugary coffee drink, feeling a surge of energy and focus. However, by mid-morning, the caffeine and sugar high wears off, leaving you feeling sluggish and reaching for another sugary snack or caffeinated beverage. This cycle of highs and crashes can impact our productivity, mood, and overall well-being. It can also lead to poor food choices, as we crave quick fixes to combat the energy dips. Furthermore, prolonged consumption of these substances can contribute to more serious health problems, including weight gain and obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and even anxiety and depression. Section 6. Breaking the cycle. Tips for cutting back. Breaking free from the sugar and caffeine cycle is crucial for improving your health and well-being. While it may seem daunting, gradual changes can make a significant difference. Here are some practical tips. Start slowly. Gradually reduce your intake of sugary drinks and caffeinated beverages over time. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to combat fatigue and cravings. Choose healthier alternatives. Opt for fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to satisfy your sweet tooth and provide sustained energy. Read labels carefully. Be mindful of hidden sugars in processed foods and drinks. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels after consuming sugar and caffeine. Remember, Breaking any habit takes time and effort. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate small victories and seek support from friends, family, or a healthcare professional if needed. Section 7. Finding natural energy, fueling your body right. You can boost your energy levels naturally without relying on sugar and caffeine. By adopting healthy habits and making conscious food choices, you can experience sustained energy throughout the day. Here are some key strategies. Prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to rest and recharge. Stay active. Engage in regular physical activity to boost your metabolism, improve circulation, and increase energy levels. Eat balanced meals. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Manage stress. Practice stress-reducing techniques such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. By nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs and adopting healthy lifestyle habits, you can unlock your natural energy reserves and feel your best. Section 8. Your health, your choice-making informed decisions. The combination of sugar and caffeine poses hidden dangers to our health, impacting our energy levels, mood, and overall well-being. By understanding the individual and combined effects of these substances, we can make informed decisions about what we consume. Breaking free from the cycle of sugar and caffeine highs and crashes requires conscious effort and gradual changes. By reducing our intake, choosing healthier alternatives, and adopting healthy lifestyle habits, we can reclaim our natural energy and vitality. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset. By making conscious choices today, you can pave the way for a healthier, more energetic tomorrow.